Honda may be preparing to turn the Odyssey into something far more serious than the family minivan we know today. For years, the Odyssey has been known as the practical choice. Spacious cabin, sliding doors, comfortable seats, and enough room for daily family life. But if Honda pushes the next generation in this direction, the 2027 Odyssey could become one of the most surprising minivans on the market. And the biggest change starts with the design. Instead of looking soft and purely family-focused, this Odyssey takes a much more premium and aggressive approach. The front end is wider, lower, and far more confident.
The large black grille gives it a stronger presence, while the layered horizontal elements make the face look more technical and modern. Honda could use this kind of design language to separate the Odyssey from traditional minivans and make it feel closer to a luxury MPV. The headlights are also a major part of the transformation. They are slimmer, sharper, and more complex, with multiple LED elements that give the front end a futuristic look. The stacked lighting details in the bumper make the vehicle feel more dramatic, almost like Honda wants the Odyssey to look powerful even before it moves. That is a big shift, because minivans are usually designed to disappear into everyday traffic.
But a 2027 Odyssey with this kind of face would not disappear. It would stand out. From the side, the long body still keeps the practical minivan shape, but the proportions look much sleeker. The roofline is clean, the glass area is dark and continuous, and the black upper section gives the vehicle a floating roof effect. The sliding doors are still there, which is important, but Honda could make them look more integrated so the vehicle feels less boxy and more premium. The wheels also change the attitude. Large, dark, multi-spoke wheels make the Odyssey look lower and more planted. For a family vehicle, that may sound unnecessary, but design matters.
Buyers today want practicality, but they also want something that feels special. If Honda can combine minivan space with a sportier appearance, the Odyssey could appeal to families who do not want an SUV, but still want a strong road presence. The rear design would likely continue that same cleaner, wider theme. A slim horizontal taillight design would make the van look broader from behind, while a sculpted tailgate and black lower trim could give it a more upscale feel. Honda does not need to make the Odyssey look wild, but it does need to make it look modern, and this direction feels like a logical step. Inside, the 2027 Odyssey could become even more important.
Honda already knows how to build practical cabins, but the next Odyssey has the chance to feel much more premium. A wide dashboard, cleaner digital screens, better materials, softer surfaces, and a more open layout would make a huge difference. Families spend a lot of time inside a minivan, so comfort matters more here than almost anywhere else. The front cabin would likely focus on a large central display, a fully digital driver cluster, improved storage, and better visibility. Honda could also simplify the center console to create more space between the driver and front passenger. That would make the cabin feel more open and more modern. But the real strength of the Odyssey has always been the second and third rows. For 2027, Honda could improve the rear seating with more flexible captain's chairs, better reclining functions, stronger seat cushioning, USB-C ports, wireless charging areas, and more thoughtful storage. A panoramic roof would also make the cabin feel brighter and more expensive, especially for passengers sitting in the back. This is where the Odyssey can beat many SUVs. Even large three-row SUVs often struggle with third-row access and cargo flexibility. A minivan does not have that problem. Sliding doors, a lower floor, and a more efficient cabin layout make the Odyssey easier to live with every day. The technology would also need to move forward.
Expect Honda to focus heavily on driver assistance, safety, and family convenience. A newer version of Honda Sensing would likely include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, traffic sign recognition, and better parking support. Honda could also add more camera views, improved rear passenger monitoring, and smarter infotainment features. For a family vehicle, features like cabin camera, rear seat reminders, better voice control, and stronger smartphone integration could be just as important as horsepower. The big question is powertrain. Honda has not confirmed anything, but a hybrid setup would make the most sense. The Odyssey is a large vehicle, and buyers want better fuel efficiency without losing smooth performance.
A strong hybrid system could give the 2027 Odyssey better low-speed response, quieter driving, and improved city fuel economy. A plug-in hybrid version would be even more interesting. Short electric driving range for school runs, grocery trips, and daily commutes could make the Odyssey much more competitive. Honda does not have to turn it into a full EV immediately. A smart hybrid or plug-in hybrid would already be a major upgrade. Performance would not need to be sports car level. What matters is smooth acceleration, quiet cruising, strong passing power, and reliable long-distance comfort. If Honda gets that balance right, the Odyssey could feel more refined than ever. And that brings us to the bigger point.
The minivan market is not dead. It just needs stronger design, better technology, and a more premium image. SUVs became popular because they look tougher and more desirable, but many families still need the practicality that only a minivan can offer. A 2027 Honda Odyssey with sharper styling, a more premium interior, hybrid power, and smarter family features could remind buyers why minivans still make sense. It would not just be a vehicle for parents. It could become a luxury family cruiser, a road trip machine, and a smarter alternative to three-row SUVs. Of course, Honda has to be careful. The Odyssey cannot lose what made it successful. It still needs easy access, huge interior space, strong reliability, and everyday comfort.
But if Honda adds emotion to that formula, the result could be very powerful. The 2027 Honda Odyssey could be the minivan that finally makes people look twice again. Not because it is trying to be an SUV, but because it proves a minivan can be practical, premium, futuristic, and genuinely desirable at the same time. So the real question is simple. If Honda builds the next Odyssey with this kind of design, would you choose it over a three-row SUV?